So now let's see how we can search for an application on the web and download the installer file to install it onto our Windows 11 computer. So to do that, first of all, you need to access a web browser, and then you need to search out for an application that you want to install on your computer. So I'm going to go around over here and type in Inkscape for Windows right here and press enter on the Bing search engine, as you can see. And over here you can see that you come across a web link right here where you can find the installation file. So depending on the application that you want to install, how you get it might differ, but the process is same. You search for the application, you download it, and you install it. So over here, you can see that this is the download page for Inkscape, and you can see that I have my operating system right here, Windows. So you can click over here, and then in Windows, you get two options. 64-bit is the most common one these days, but if you're running a 32-bit version of Windows, then you select this one right here. So let me just go around and select 64-bit right here. And you can see that there's different options right here. Let me just go around into exe format because that's the most common one. And now what happens is that the download gets started, as you can see. So the Inkscape installation file is being downloaded right here. So depending on your internet connection speed, this might take a while right here. And also it depends on the size of the application that you're downloading as well. So I'm going to click on open file now. So what happens is that you have to say yes, you have to enable the administrator privileges, and then you can click next right here, press agree, and you follow out the steps right here. So I'm just going to keep everything default. You can also choose the destination folder on where you want to install it, but I'm just going to keep it in my C drive itself on the default location, install it, and then you can see that Inkscape is starting to be installed. I'm just going to close around my browser because I do not need it anymore. So this does take a while, and then it is installing all the essential files onto your computer for the application to run. And now you can see that the application has been installed. So I'm just going to uncheck the Run Inkscape and click Finish. And now if you were to go to Start menu right here, you can see Inkscape is an option. So I'm going to go around and type in Inkscape, and you can see the app has been installed. So if I were to click on this, then the application will load up. So here you can see the application has been started, so you can go around and work around with the application according to how you like it. Press new document right here, and then it opens up Inkscape, as you can see right here, which has just been installed. So that is how you can download an installation file from the web and install new applications on your computer with Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.